Hello and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making bacon wrapped chicken legs. This is a great tasting recipe. It doesn't take much to do this, and actually there's not much involved as far as ingredients or whatever, and a lot of the taste you're going to get for the chicken is from the bacon. So we're going to start out and line a pan that we're going to bake these on. Put a little bit of olive oil on it. I'd say at least 2 tablespoons, that way you can smear it around. You're going to save some olive oil, which you're going to put on your chicken in a bowl. I'm using chicken legs. You can do this with other kinds of chicken, like chicken breast if you cut it into tenders or whatever, and I will show a picture of that later in the video. But just when you put the olive oil on your chicken legs, move them around, make sure they're coated really well. When you pull out the legs from your bowl, smear the oil all over the legs to make sure it's really coated. That's going to help actually keep the bacon on as well. And you're just going to take a piece of bacon and wrap around the chicken leg, and you're going to repeat this for each one of your chicken legs. As your chicken is baking in the oven, you're going to have bacon around it cooking as well, which is going to put flavor on top of the chicken, and they're going to cook together to make something that's really tasty. Now you can do this for as many chicken legs as you want. I actually was only doing about 4 or so of these for myself here. You could add more to it. You could do 6, 8, whatever you want. Just increase the amount of bacon per each one of the legs you have, and you might have to add a little bit more olive oil. So once you get them into your pan and before you bake, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, which these are going to cook for 40 to 45 minutes. And then you're going to add a little salt and pepper over top of each one. And once you bake them, they're going to come out looking something like this. And the bacon has adhered itself to the chicken, which is really wonderful, and it stays on while you're eating, which is even better. It doesn't fall apart on you. And just serve this with a vegetable and you have a great meal. Now if you wanted to do it with a type of chicken tender or cut breasts in slices, you could have this version, which is again wrapped in bacon. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.